Hello guys, happy Thanksgiving. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Thrift Savings Plan or TSP. Because before, I kind of I'm aware that you can actually apply for a loan using your TSP, but I didn't really uh, know anything about it. Like actually the details about the you know applying for a loan using a TSP. So I'm here at the TSP website, and then it's more what do you call this, more complex than than just like, hey, I want to use my TSP to actually take out some loans. So there's more into it, of course. Again, it was saying like there's some things that you have to consider whenever if you want to use your TSP and get a loan, right? So one thing is like they were saying that if the interest rate that you can get from the TSP investment is higher than um, what do you call this interest rate on the loan, then you're gonna lose money. Also, if the financial burden that you're gonna have when getting a loan is too much becomes too much that you actually have to reduce your TSP contribution below to 5%, then they're not gonna be able to match your what do you call this your allocation or your contribution rate basically. And also they were saying that TSP loan it's not considered a mortgage loan, so you don't expect that it has tax deductible whenever you're paying some interest on the loan. So the rules for borrowing to be eligible for TSP loan, you have to have at least 1,000 contribution. It's a combination of your own contribution and the earnings in your account, but it's not including the money that you have invested in the mutual fund. Um, I'm not sure if the mutual it says here TSP's mutual fund window, so I'm not sure if mutual fund would be the same as that, but but that was the rule that it doesn't include the money invested in the TSP's mutual fund window. And also, another requirement to be eligible for TSP is you have to be in pay status. So you have to be like either active duty in pay status, because again they're gonna deduct the the money for payment to the loan from your paycheck. So that's why they require you to be in pay status. Also, and then over here it says like you have not if you use a TSP loan before, you should have not paid any. If you're applying for another one, you should have not paid another loan or prior loan within 30 days. So that you have to probably wait until after 30 business days. It's specifically the 30 business days uh, to be able to apply for another loan. And there's two types of loan over here they were saying. So it can be a general purpose loan or it can be a primary residence loan. So the payment time frame is different for the two loans, right? So it was saying that the for a general purpose loan, the payment would be with it should be within 12 months to 60 months. And then if you're applying for the primary residence loan, it can be ranging from 61 months to 180 months. So that's one of the difference. Also, they were saying over here on the website in the book on the booklet, they were saying that you can actually have two active loans at the same time, but either you can have uh, two active general purpose loan, one one active general purpose, one active primary residence, but you can't have two primary residence loans at the same time. So that's the caveat on that one. Also, if you're applying for primary residence loan, they were saying that it should be only for something that a loan for a future purchase, or a future construction of your residence, right? It can't be just you already like close out the loan and then you're trying to just get something, for payment or yeah. So that's the difference over here. Yeah. So that's cool to know, right? So again, I'm not sure if I would consider this one yet, but in the future, while still, in pay status and still serving, because also they were saying that uh, you can also like if you have because there you can have like two TSP accounts. I think one for if you're in civilian, and one if you're actually in uniform services. So you can uh, you can apply for each account. Again, the limit would be set to whatever account that you're gonna be using. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just want to share that one because again, I'm not really familiar with that until I read something about it today. But again, happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching this video.